In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add steps to MyFitnessPal. First, let's begin by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar interface, complete with your daily food diary and exercise logs. This app is designed to help you track your fitness goals, and opening it is your first step toward managing your health. If you have not already installed the app, you can find it in your device's app store. Once you have it open, you will be ready to move forward. This initial action is essential as it sets the stage for all the subsequent entries you will make. Next up, tap the Diary tab located at the bottom of the screen. This tab usually has a vibrant icon that makes it easy to identify. Once you tap it, you will be directed to your daily diary, where you can see an overview of your food intake and exercise activities for the day. This section is crucial as it allows you to track your progress in real time. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you see your entries accumulate. From there, scroll down to the exercise section and tap Add Exercise. This section is where you can log any physical activity you've completed. By clicking on Add Exercise, you are taking an important step toward understanding your daily activity levels. The app allows you to input various types of exercises, ensuring that you can accurately reflect your efforts. This action will help you monitor your fitness journey more closely and keep you motivated. Now select Cardiovascular from the exercise type options. This category encompasses various activities including walking, running, and cycling. By choosing cardiovascular, you are focusing on exercises that elevate your heart rate, which are essential for overall health. This selection is meaningful because it helps the app tailor your logging experience to the type of exercise you performed. You will feel confident knowing you are accurately categorizing your activity. Next, search for walking using the top search bar and tap on the matching result. The search function makes it straightforward to find specific exercises. Once you start typing, suggestions will appear, making it easier to locate the right activity. Selecting walking is important because it allows you to log the specific type of exercise you completed. This specificity helps in tracking your progress and understanding the calories burned over time. You will see the results pop up quickly, confirming you are on the right track. After that, input your workout specifics into the text fields. Begin by entering the time you spent walking. This could be in minutes, such as 30 or 60 minutes. It's critical to provide accurate information here, as it will directly affect your caloric burn estimation. Then move on to the calories burned field. If you are unsure about the exact number, feel free to leave it blank. The app will automatically calculate a baseline burn based on your weight profile. This makes it easier for you to log your activity without stress. Once you have filled in the necessary details, tap the checkmark or save button in the top right corner to log the steps to your daily diary. This final action confirms that all your information has been recorded. You should see a confirmation message appear, letting you know that your steps have been successfully added. This step is crucial because it ensures that your hard work is documented and contributes to your overall fitness goals. By following these steps, you can efficiently add your walking activity to MyFitnessPal. Each step you take in this process helps you stay accountable and informed about your fitness journey. Remember, tracking your exercise is a key component of achieving your health goals. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.